Welcome to TaskyStore. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a TaskyStore account and log into the dashboard. So let's get started. First, open your browser and visit TaskyStore.com. Then navigate to the menu and click Sign Up. It will open a simple sign-up page. Here, enter your valid name. We may ask you to verify your name later, so put your valid name here. Then enter an active email address where you can receive email. We will send you a verification email to this email address. Now choose any password or click the Suggest Password button to generate a strong password for you. You need to remember this password to log into your dashboard later. Now click the Create Account button to create the account. The account is created successfully. Now we need to verify the email address. And verification email is sent to the mail address that we enter in the previous form. So open your mail inbox. If you don't see any email, wait for a few seconds. Sometimes emails could take a few seconds to show in your inbox. Also, check your spam folder in case you don't see any email in your inbox. Now open the email and click the Verify button. It will verify your email and show a success message. Now close this window and open your browser again. Navigate to the main menu and click Sign In. It will open a sign-in page. Now enter your email address and password that you used on the sign-up page and click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will see a dashboard like this. From this dashboard, you can create campaigns to promote your channel or get installs and reviews for the apps. Or you can manage your earnings to withdraw to your local bank or even in mobile wallet. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.